This lecture would be really interesting because in this lecture we are going to use AI to recreate or clone a website, and the best part of this lecture is that we are going to use the free version to recreate the websites and AI Builder. As you know, I have the pro version as well, but I am going to sign up from scratch with the free version. I am going to create the website from free version and recreate it from free version. So we'll be doing it all from scratch, and that's the best part of this lecture. So before just starting, let me just tell you about few things. A lot of people would be worried about copyrights, like if they would copy any website, they will get a copyright or that kind of thing. Because they have their design rights, the website have their design rights. So let me just tell you that there are two main things that you have to worry about: images and text. Because the way how 10web's AI Builder works is it detects the components from the website you want to clone and just generate its own code with Elementor and just redesign this website. So there are two things: pictures and text. If you have changed the pictures and text after cloning, you will not get copyright, because someone cannot claim a copyright on color, on text, on fonts, etc. But these are images and text what you don't have to copy. Now, first of all, again, go to webifyhub.com/10web, click on get started for free, and here you will have to sign up. You can sign up with Google or just type in email address. So I'll type in email address me@khadeenakbar.com, then my name, last name, and then the password, and click on get started for free. So it's getting signed up, and we'll wait for it. Now again, it would be onboarding. So digital agency 1 2 3. Here you can just select others or blog or publication. It's on you. And now there are 4 options for you: optimize your website, migrate to web hosting, create with AI Builder. So you if you want to recreate the websites or clone the website, then you just have to select this one, create with AI Builder. And I am starting from scratch, because from scratch you will get the most accurate results. So I would always recommend you, if you want to clone a website, just sign up with a new account and go with it. So I'll just click on create with AI Builder. Now here you have to enter the URL you want to recreate. So to recreate, this is my website, webifyhub.com, which will be recreating. Like if you are a freelancer or agency owner, you need a similar website. I have received a lot of queries. Like they asked me that we want to build the same website, but again, if you will do it with Elementor or maybe Elementor Pro and a lot add-ons, it would take you at least a week. And if I'll tell you roughly, it would take 1 to 2 weeks to fix all these things and create a similar website. But what if you can do this all within minutes? So you just have to copy the link, just copy this link, just paste it here, and after pasting, click on proceed, and now it would install a blank website. Then it would recreate layout, add design elements, will add finishing touches, and then done. I'll just pause the video and get back to you after the complete like elements are recreated. Header, footer, and page would be recreated. So I'll just get back to you after that. So here you go, website has been recreated, and now we'll just click on preview and edit your website, and we'll see how much accurate this AI Builder is. Yes, you will get some kind of errors, you will get some kind of design issues, but this is what you have to solve. Now here you can see, this is amazing. So we have cloned the complete website here, and here you can see the complete website has been cloned. And tell me what is the difference between this website and this website. The complete website has been cloned, and you can clone even any kind of website, like uh, if you like some kind of website and you can just copy its design, want to copy its design, you just have to enter the URL, and the complete website would be cloned using the AI Builder. And like more awesome thing, I am doing it for free. Okay, so now here you can see we have each and everything. Yes, we have problem with this form, but we can fix it. It's bit width and padding issue, so we we can fix it. And then we have this email icon, we don't have this email icon, and nothing else. Now from here, these are the AI generated colors and colors available, so you can select any of the color you want. It's on you which color do you want to select. And then you have the font, and you have this select the color of all website text. So we have selected the color as well. Now click on, if you are good with it, just click on save and proceed, and it will just save the design, and now it's edit like loading with Elementor, and we will be able to edit it with Elementor. And not only that, but here you can see the header has also been imported, and then a footer has also been imported. It's a great thing, like it's an awesome thing. If you want to use it, it's an awesome thing to use. And here you can see we have the complete design imported. Now you can just change the text, this text, these links, and that would be all. And here you can see there are few mistakes, because it's AI, it's machines, so there would be a lot errors if the website is a bit complex and you just have to solve these errors. But at the end of the day, it would import the complete design, the components accurately. But yes, it would get some errors. So now this one, so we'll just we'll have to change its color, and its color was, I think, pink. Yeah, this one. And then here is the container, so we'll just delete this container, and we can just duplicate it, so that, and we can just delete it. You need a bit control of Elementor. If you know how to use Elementor, you can do it all. And in next lectures, I'll tell you a bit about Elementor, how to use it and how to use the 10 webs builder. So here I'll add email, and then just click on this edit icon, click on icon library, and from here I can just select any kind of email thing. So this one, I'll click on insert, it's inserted. From styles, you can change the color as well. You can add the color of your choice. And then the main thing is in content. Here is the link. When someone will click on this one, where they want to go. So I'll add my email address here. So when someone will click on this one, they will just go to email me. This is my messenger's link, and this is my WhatsApp link. Okay, so here are all the details, and you can see everything is working 100% fine. If something is not working correct, just click on edit, go to styles, and from here you can just play around with styles. You can just increase or decrease the typography if you think the buttons are not correctly working or buttons are not showed well, and you can just edit these things. Now there's a main thing, that is this footer thing. So here you can see this was the footer, but it's not just like added as a footer. So what you can do is you can just save the complete footer as a template. Here, save as a template. So I'll add this footer as a template. If you want to show it on all your pages, just save this section as a template, and then what you can do is then you can insert sooner. Okay, but it was also imported, the footer template. Yeah, it was already imported. So here you can see that's how you can edit this page. And then you have this header. Just go to this header thing, just save it first and go to this header thing, and in this header thing you can like edit anything you want. You can edit the logo. These are the menus. These menus would be edited from the WordPress backend. We'll be using that WordPress backend as well. And then we have this phone number thing. And to edit this phone number from here, we can edit all these things and all that. But keep in mind, to access the WordPress panel and to edit all these things using WordPress, again you will need access to WordPress dashboard. And and WordPress dashboard access would be provided to you if you have upgraded to their free version. And there's not a problem when you if you sign up for a free trial, there would never be a problem. Like you have this for free for 30 days, and you can check it. If it works well, you can go with this AI builder. Now you can just edit these headers kind of thing and update it. And now we'll just get back to our AI builder, back to our website, back to our dashboard. So here are our websites. So just click on manage, then just go back to AI builder. So after going to AI builder, it's live, it's available. Then just go to header. Header is in one condition, footer is already available. So now you would have to edit some conditions, and to do that, just go to click on edit. Just go to header and edit it, and just go to footer and edit it, because we want to edit the header and footer as well, and we want to show it on entire site. And this is our header. So just go to this section, and yep, display, click on display conditions and its entire site. So click on publish, and it's published. And then the footer thing, just click on display conditions, and now again it's on entire site. So that's good. If it's not that, you can just change it. And then we will have to add more pages, like this contact page, these services pages, and all these kind of pages. So I'll just click on contact. We'll just go to contact page. I'll just copy the link, and again you'd have to click on add new, click on the pages, then add the page title, like page title is contact, and then paste the link. And then you have to click on this recreate button. So after clicking on recreate button, it is recreating the complete layout again, and we'll just wait and watch if this design is also recreated correctly. So here you go, it's saying congrats, your page was successfully created. So click on preview and edit, and it's like opening the Elementor page builder. And I hope it would be also correct, and it would be just imported successfully in a correct way. So we are just waiting for Elementor to load. And here you can see the builder has been loaded, but there are a few problems within the design. So we'll have to solve it again. As I told you that this is AI builder, so it would cause like make some problems, but you have to fix them. Like everything is imported. Now let's just see the original design. We just lost the original design. hub.com/contact. So this is the original design, so we have to do the same. Okay, so what we have to do is just have to go back, and here you can see all these things, and this is WhatsApp basically, and we'll just have to decrease its size, and maybe the text size as well. So we can just play around with the typography so that we can just decrease its size. And let's make it 1.3. And the same is the case with this messenger and email. Or what I can do is and to change the color in styles, I can change the color as well. And then going here again, go there and turn it to white. It wasn't turned white, so let's just make it completely white. And then this one, text color, the text size is a bit large, so we'll make it 1.5 pixels again, and we can just duplicate this box and delete this box, and here I can just add the email icon. So that's how you can just play around with the things, and you can just import the more pages. And the same is the case with this one. You just have to go to this tool and go to styles, and in here I can just change the padding, etc. Like this is the form, so I can just play around with the columns gap, rows gap, and one thing that is missing in contacts. I can also you need the basics of Elementor to use this tool, and a thing that is missing in it, everything is working correctly fine, is correct, but this colors. So you can just go to each text, just go to style, and from here you can just change the style, like you can change the color, you can change the style as well. Like this one, in the content we have to change its size to 1.5, so I think now it's good. And then these you have to change the color of all this text. Go to style and you would have to change the color of all this text. Now the reason this is the color for like this is the default color for text, because we had set up the default color for text as this one, so that's why this color is showing up here as it's AI builder, so it would get some errors, so we have to just tackle these errors. Okay, so like you will have to go to Elementor. It's not too hard to use it, so you can just go to style to change all these styling kind of things, and in content you can change the content, like this text if you want to change it, this phone number you want to change it, and then the pictures are good. If you want to exchange the picture, just click on edit, and from here just click on choose image. From select files you can select another picture, upload another picture, and you are good to go. Then in maps, and just click on this edit icon, pencil icon, and here you can just add your address. Like I'll add Webified Hub, so it will show my company's address. It would take some time and it would relocate us to my company's address. So it's loading, it's loading. It would absolutely take some time. Yeah, and here you go. So here you go, it got to my address, and my address is shown here as well. And after that you just have to click on update, and you have to do the same thing with all the pages. Now here we are, this is contact page, and you don't have to copy the blog page, but this portfolio page, and then these services pages, and you have to just copy and paste each page in here in the AI builder. Here in AI builder, again click on add a new page, and just repeat the process. And after everything is done, then you would have to go to WordPress to change the menu. So when we'll click on WordPress dashboard, it is saying that we cannot access the WordPress dashboard before getting that 30 days free trial, and you need to go there, and like you will need access to the WordPress to just change the menu. Let me just tell you, here you can see the both sides are published, so we'll go to this website. Now if someone will contact, click on this contact button or blog button or services portfolio button, nothing appears here. Why it doesn't appear here? Because we have not set up these things. Now I'll just go to dashboard, so I can access the dashboard, but not like again here you can see again I cannot access the dashboard without getting that 30 days free trial. So I'll just click on get 30 days for free, and then I'll select one site, then I'll select monthly, or you can select annually as well, then click on proceed. And here you will have to enter your debit card, credit card details. You can pay with PayPal as well. So after I'll set up all these things, I'll get back to you. So here you go, I have signed up for free trial for free and for 30 days free trial, and here you can see it's successfully upgraded to the personal plan. So I'll just click on proceed, and then you can also join the 10 webs community if you want to join it via Slack, and it's basically on you. You can just set up two-factor optimization and authentication, etc. stuff. And now I'll just click on manage, and from here in AI builder, as I told you that again you have to click on this add new page, AI recreation. Just go to the each page, just copy the link, and you just have to paste it here. Add new page, AI recreation, and here I'll say portfolio, and just paste it. You just have to deactivate this thing, activate 10 webs default theme to get best experience with the builder, and just click on recreate. So here you go, the portfolio page has also been imported. So I'll just click on preview and edit. The 10 web Elementor editor is loading, and it's got loaded, and we got the same problems. We have to solve this all the problems with the same process. Or what you can do is you can just click on this section, save as template, click and click on contact and click save, and that would be all. And then what you can do is you can just use this template to be uploaded here. How to use it? Just click on add from templates, go to my templates, and here you will see a contact template. Click on insert, apply, and the complete template would be added for you. So that's how you can, if you have repeated items like that needs to be edited, so that's how you can just deal with these items. Now one thing you would be missing is this captcha button. So you would have to set it up. How to set it up? Click on add item, and from here you just have to select this reCAPTCHA. Just make it above it. So basically this is all about Elementor. If you know a bit about Elementor, it would not be a lot hard for you to use this 10webs AI builder, but it's an extension of Elementor. It's based on Elementor, so there is no not any problem using that kind of a builder. Okay, so click on add item, and this reCAPTCHA will make it above it. And yep, this one is reCAPTCHA. So reCAPTCHA is enabled now, and select it normal, and that's all. Now we have added reCAPTCHA to our website as well. Then these text issues and links, you have to add, like you have to exchange the links with your pages. Like this one is contact us, so I'll just search for contact page, contact, and I just got that page, so I can just link to that contact page. Then we have this learn more button. Again, if you want to add it to portfolio, then you can just link it to the portfolio page. It's completely on you, but this is your portfolio page, so you can just add about page or again contact page, because we haven't imported the contact page right till right now. So I'll just add the contact page, and again these are all my projects. So what you can do is you can just change the picture, change the name, and that would be all, and your portfolio page would also be created. And these are the icons. You can just exchange them. And one problem we are facing is this portfolio above. So how you can deal with it? You can just go to settings, and from here just select the hide title. So you have a lot settings here, so you can also play around with these settings. And then after you are done with the editing the page, you can just click on publish, and your complete page would be published and would be ready to be used. And now the next thing after doing it, because I cannot like import all the pages, so I'll just import these pages only, and we'll just go back to our admin dashboard. And here we'll just have to go to appearance, and we'll just have to go to menus to just change our menu, because our menu is not working correctly. So here you can see we have this menu. So we would have to bulk select all these items first of all, and because these items doesn't have correct links, so and click on remove selected items. And now after you have imported all the pages, you just have to go to view all, and here you just have to add all your pages. Now we have only these pages, so I'll just click on add to menu, and if you want to add a drop down, you can add it as well, and click on save menu. And after you will click on save menu, I'll just reload our website now. So I'm reloading it, and here you can see we just got it. We don't want this home page, but we want home on this one. So from here you can add home and click save menu. And here you go, and I'll just again click on reload, And here you go. So we have home, contact, portfolio, and from here in menus in WordPress, you can just change the menus, you can change the WordPress themes and all these things. Now there's a thing, this portfolio page, I'll just click on reload. It's I think published. So I'll just reload the AI builder, and it's getting reloaded. The dashboard is loading. It would take some time. And here you go, everything is published. Now let's suppose if you, this is the direct link of the website, but let's suppose you want this contact page on the front, on front. So what you can do is you can just select any other page, and you can click on select as front page, click on set, and now whenever I'll just type in my website URL, not the home page but the portfolio page would be loaded. Here you can see the portfolio page is getting loaded, and here you can see the captcha isn't working, because to use captcha you need to add API key to Elementor in settings, integration, and captcha. So you would have to set up, and if you want to use captcha, you would have to just add a API key from CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is by Google for secure emails for to avoid spamming. So what you have to do is you just have to you can watch a YouTube video, or there are documentations by Elementor. So you can go there and you can just watch them, that how to integrate CAPTCHA with your website, and you can integrate the CAPTCHA with your website. Because I cannot cover each and everything, so you will need to learn that how to Google, how to YouTube the thing, so that you can just play around with all these things. So that's how you can just set up a complete website. You can import a complete website using Elementor. Now what are the use cases of that kind of websites? So what you can do is, whenever you have just imported the complete website, like if client give you a website, like I want a website similar to, if you are a freelancer, a client gives you a website, the client gives you a website and asks you that I want a similar website, so you can just use this AI builder to recreate a website for them. And then if you have a template and it is costing you a lot and you just want to use it for free, what you can do is you can just copy that template URL and just paste it here, and it would create completely for you. Then if you have a Wix or Webflow or any other kind of Squarespace website, then you can just copy the link and import the complete website to WordPress using this AI builder. So this AI builder has a lot use cases. You can use it, and as you know, after you are done with it, you can also point the domain name, as we did in the previous lectures, where we added smartmedicals.uk to our as a domain to our website. So again, this process is simple. You just have to click on add domain and you can add the domain name. So that is all about AI builder. I think I have covered everything. Now you have this header, this footer. If you want to edit this header or this footer was left, so you can just go to edit header, edit footer, and you can edit the all the text from footer as well. So this is basically the footer, and here you go. I just found that there is no text on the footer, so that's why I think it's just on this home page. So we'll have to change the footer, or I think yeah, so we'll also have to change the footer. So to do that, what we have to do is, where was the footer? Here we have the footer. As you know, I just saved the footer as template, and here you can see this is the footer template. So I'll just click on insert, click on apply, and the complete footer has been imported now, and I'll just click on update. And here you can also just change the email and links and social media things, etc. You know how to do it. And now again I'll just reload it, and we'll see if our footer is now visible or not. So here you can see our footer is now visible, and it would be visible on entire site. So that's how you can just play around with the things. And with this website, this complete section is sticky. If you want to make this complete section sticky, then you can just from here, the website structure and others, inner pages, and I'll just go to my website, visit website. And here on visit website, click on edit with 10 web builder, And here on 10 web builder, I'll just click on edit header. And you can just take the complete section and this section, and in advanced, here in motion effects, or scrolling, yep, you can make it sticky. So here you can see now it's sticky as well. So that's how you can make it sticky, and like you can work around on it. And now you can see there is menu like blog, services page, blog page. So you can add these pages to your website as well. And you will also have to import this blog page. After importing that blog page, what you would have to do is you would have to go back to your admin dashboard, here in dashboard, and in dashboard you will have to go to settings in general, not in general but in reading, and here your home page is your home page. And then you would have to select the post page, and to select you don't have any post page, you select it. So what you would have to do is you just have to go back to your AI builder. Where is the AI builder? Here is AI builder, and here you would have to add a new page which would be a blank page called blog. So you would have to add a new page called blog page and click on add page, and it would get added. It doesn't require any AI kind of things, so it got added. And now you have to just select the status of it as published. And now what you have to do is you just have to go back and just reload your website and select post page as blog and click on save changes. And now one more thing, it's it should be a must-have thing that you just have to, if you want to add any page to this menu, like let me just go to the website. So if you want to anything to this menu, what you have to do is you just have to go to appearances, menus, and here in menus you just have to go to view all, and from here you just have to add the blog page here. So here the blog page has been added, so I'll just click on save menu, and now you can see if I'll reload it, the menu blog page is available. So now whenever I will click on this blog page, all the blog posts would be shown. But how to edit this page, because there is no option like edit with 10 web editor, because I want to add a picture kind of things. So what you have to do is you just have to go to archive, and from archive you just have to click on edit. And one more thing, if you want to edit the single post single page post template, you can just edit this post single, and in archives you just have to click on edit, and it would load the blog editor. So here you can just edit the blog. So here you have this archives title, so I want to add a blog, and I'll just add blog here. So the blog is added, and then if you want to change the background picture, just click on container, go to styles, and from here you can add any image. Or if you want to add a color, so you can just change the color to black, like I have a color converted to black. Now I don't have any blog post. If you want to add blog post, what you can do is you can just go to dashboard, and here in dashboard, from here post, you can add new blog posts as well to your website for getting traffic and that kind of things. Here we are, and now here you will have to select how much columns do you want for each blog post. So I'll say 3 columns, then show images or not, image position, and then image size, title should be shown or not, what are the paginations things, and there are a lot other things. And then here is the style kind of thing. So from here you would have to select the colors, you would have to select should it be aligned in center, right or left, and you have a lot pagination options, and then you have some advanced options. Now I'll just click on update, and all your blog posts would be shown here. I didn't use the AI builder to do that, because AI builder can't do that. I just tried it, but it just showed me text. The sections were not imported, so that's why I just didn't did it. So here you can see we have imported our blog as well. Now our website is similar to this website, except these pages, these services kind of things, like we have home, portfolio, blog, contact, but we don't have these services. So what you have to do is you have to go there and you just have to add each page one by one. And so that's how you can play around with things. But again, if you are getting any kind of problem, again, this support is always for you. You just have to go to live chat and they will help you with everything. You just have to go there and you just have to tell them there about your problem, and they will solve all your problems. So that was all about this lecture, AI builder. Again, you will get the problems with AI builder. It's not 100% accurate. You will get problems, but you would have to solve them. If you are not able to solve them, just go to the support of 10web and someone will help you to get out of it. See you next lecture then. Goodbye.